SeaMeet, the asynchronous meeting copilot designed for remote and multilingual teams, helps conquer challenges like time zones, language barriers, and inefficient meetings.
First and foremost, SeaMeet does everything your typical meeting note-takers do. It flawlessly handles transcription, summary, and action items with precision and organization. But that's just the beginning. SeaMeet conquers time zone challenges by allowing you to send a copilot to meetings you can't attend, delivering insights automatically. Handle global meetings while you sleep, ensuring you never miss important insights, regardless of time zone differences. And when you're double or triple booked, no sweat. Send multiple copilots to each meeting simultaneously. SeaMeet breaks language barriers, providing effortless language switching and accurate transcriptions. View meeting transcriptions with absolute accuracy and get meeting summaries in your preferred language. It's like having a personal language wizard at your service. SeaMeet identifies ineffective meetings and optimizes focus. Did you know that up to 40% of meetings are dominated by a single voice? With SeaMeet, you can identify these patterns and shift your focus to what truly matters. Do you want to track your organization's focus over time? SeaMeet's dashboard is your crystal ball, revealing insights that can slash meeting times and skyrocket productivity. SeaMeet is ideal for meetings with non-native speakers, remote teams across the globe, and organizations demanding efficiency. SeaMeet revolutionizes your meetings to cut down meeting times and boost productivity like never before. Get SeaMeet, the asynchronous meeting copilot designed for the modern, multilingual, and remote workforce.